And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to show you how to replace the transmission oil in a Ford Transit Custom. So we're going to take a ratchet with an 8mm Allen key socket, and we're going to locate the drain plug, which is just on the near side of the gearbox, just by the way the drive shaft goes in, and we're going to remove the plug to drain the oil. Now it does come out from the side, so obviously it does make a bit of a mess, and it does kind of squirt out onto the subframe, but yeah, it's unavoidable. So just make sure you've got a bucket there ready to catch it. Now I left mine for about half an hour to drain, but obviously the longer you leave it, the better it is. So there it is. So I've put that back in now and tightened it back up once I've let it drain. And now I'm going to locate the filler plug, which is just on the front of the gearbox, about halfway up. You'll find the same matching plug as what the drain was, and it's obviously the same size Allen key. So we're going to remove that, and that is where we're going to refill our gearbox oil. Now this plug is also used to check the level. Now it is actually a measurement, so it needs to be 21mm lower than this plug. I will include an illustration on the back of this video that you can have a look at to measure that. Right, so this is the oil that is recommended for the Ford Transit Custom gearbox. It's a 75W, fully synthetic. So now these bottles do have fill-in spouts, but they're a bit difficult to get in there. So I'm going to use a pump. Now this is basically a big sucker, so it sucks the oil up out of the bottle, and I just pump it in. Only thing is, this particular one does only hold 300ml, so it does take quite a few pumps, as obviously it's 3 pumps per litre. Now the actual transmission takes 2.2 litres dry fill, so that's obviously with an empty gearbox. So basically what I'm going to do now is just obviously pump in 2.2 litres straight into the gearbox, and then I know I'm full. Obviously if you did want to measure it, there is an actual way of measuring. I think it's about 21mm below the actual plug itself. I will include an illustration at the end of this video, so you can have a look at that and obviously see what the level should be. Now, so we've got our plug back in, so I'm just going to tighten it back up, just a good nip. Again, in the illustration I will put the tightening torques for both these bungs, but I just give them a nip with the bars. They're not very tight, they're just sealing plugs. So I'm going to take some brake cleaner and give it a nice clean off, just to obviously any little excess oil that I might have spilled when I was filling it, just to make sure it's nice and clean. And yeah, that's it guys, so thanks for watching.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.